How to add clickable link in TikTok video. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching your TikTok app in your device. Ensure you have logged in into your TikTok account. So over here, firstly, to add the clickable link in your TikTok video, start by adding a video that you wish to post. So if you add a link right over here that is through text, the audience won't be able to click on the link. So what you can do is, instead of adding in your TikTok video, you can actually paste the link right over here in your caption or the description. After which the audience can easily tap on the link and get redirected to the desired website. At the bottom, you will also see the option of add link. You can click on it. This link is to connect your tickets or event so that the audience can reach out to the favorable person to get the link or the ticket. So in here, to add a link of the event, you can just click on the available suggested event, or you can even search for it. Then with a simple click, you'll be able to add such link to your post. So these are some of the methods to add clickable link in TikTok video. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.